Being a mom, the main thing is keeping the house cool in the summer when it gets up to 100 degrees or more. Hi, I'm Sarah, and I live in Escondido, California, and I got solar and battery storage from Semper Solaris. So Robert Bessler was our go-to for the whole solar process. He basically explained everything in detail and made it easy. Our main thing was, is it gonna cost this ridiculous amount? He kind of put our mind at ease. He explained to us in the long run it's gonna pay off. Our electric bill before we had solar was at least $600. And I believe our last bill was like they paid us like $30, like we were on the good side. So that's the major advantage to solar, because when you have a lot of kids and a lot of moving parts, you can't keep up with telling everybody to turn the lights off when they leave a room. We went with the Tesla Powerwall because we just wanted to make sure we had something as a backup. We actually host almost every single holiday because I love cooking. Say you get up in the morning, you're gonna have a big party, your air conditioner doesn't work and the power is not on and you can't do this or you can't do that, I'd be panicking. Actually, during Christmas time, the lights dimmed and all the lights went up brighter again. And I actually ran in the house and told my husband, because I was like, dude, the battery's on. And then I went outside and looked and none of the neighbors had any lights on. The whole neighborhood was black except for our house. I like having the Tesla, knowing that if the power goes off, if there's an emergency, it will be that one house in the neighborhood that still has the lights on. You can still live life, cook, and do everything, putting us at ease.